Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today girlies, we are going to review the Natasha Denona bronze palette with bronze collection. It's absolutely amazing and I'm so excited to give this a try and share with you guys. So I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I am uploading daily all throughout of August, so I hope you're enjoying all the videos. If you haven't caught up yet, I will leave the playlist down below so you can go and check it out and see what I've been up to throughout the whole of August. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Have you tried this palette before? What are your thoughts? Oh my god, anything bronzer for me, you know I'm gonna love. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed so far. We have passed over 400 subscribers, which I am so grateful to, and now we're on the road to 500. So if you are new on my channel, welcome. I hope you do subscribe and stay and follow me on this amazing journey that I'm on. And yeah, that's it. So let's get into this video. Okay, so we're going to start off with the bronzed palette, and I saw Natasha Denona do a tutorial on her Instagram. I'm going to try and recreate that look, but we'll see what we can do. Bear in mind, I'm not a makeup artist. So yeah, let's get into this. Right then, I'm going to go in with this palette here, obviously, and I'm going to start off with the deep blue, and I'm going to create like a line here so it looks like a cat eye. I'm going to try my best anyway.
Stupid, being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip.
Okay, so I've gone in with the deep dive to create some sort of cat eye. If it works, it works. Okay, then I'm going to go in with Magna, which is this shade right here.
On a trip, nah, trip. Oh, I flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted.
Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Suntan, which is this one here.
On a trip, nah, trip. Oh, I flick the switch, kill the lights.
Does it look a mess? It will blend in, I promise. I hope it does anyway. Then I'm going to go in with Beach, which is the lightest one, and I just go into the crease with Beach.
On a trip, nah, trip. Oh, I flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going.
Okay, then I'm going to go in with True Bronze, which is this one here, and apply with my finger because that's what they did.
On a trip, nah, trip. Oh, I flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost.
Okay, so these eyeshadows have just literally glided on. They're absolutely stunning and they blend out really well. I mean, this is the first palette of Natasha Denona I've ever owned, and I just thought it was the perfect one to start with because I absolutely love anything to do with bronzer and stuff like that. So yeah, I thought I'd go for it. So what do you think? Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of mascara.
On a trip, nah, trip. Oh, I flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight.
Okay, a little bit of mascara, and I've gone in with the Spectrum Dark Matter. And then next up we're going to go in with the Bronze Cheek, and this has got the blush. It's got blusher and bronzer and highlighter all together. So we're just going to go in with some bronzer, and Natasha said that basically it's really nice to put the cream blush underneath and then put the other blush over it, so it really emphasises and gives it that nice glow. Now you know I'm all for glowing and bronzer and highlight. It's like life for me, so I don't mind. We're going to go in with Bounce Cream Blush. I'm really liking cream blush at the minute anyway. And then just
on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, I flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh.
Okay, that's the bronzer. The blusher. Then we're going to go in with some glow. Oh wow, it's got like an iridescent to it as well.
I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels don't stop turning, I know we're acting stupid.
If I was on holiday, this is all I would have taken. With all the 100 other ones I would have took. This is absolutely stunning.
I don't know if it's real, cause
okay, and then I'm going to go in with this here, which is the Super Glow Bronze. And then just sweep.
I don't know if it's real, cause
wow, that's absolutely stunning.
I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels don't stop.
I think this is medium, or is it just one palette? The same. Probably could have got away with the lighter one, but it's fine. We like a little bronzer, don't we?
I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels don't stop turning. I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing where the
there you go. And then this is a all over glow. So this is for face and body shimmer and powder. So if you wanted to, you could just take it, give it a swirl on here, and then just literally apply. Take that. Get a nice glow. So I think you see it on the decolletage. Can't really see mine. Hopefully soon you will. And then maybe just go over like that, and then that's it. And then last we're going to go in with the Lipforia lip gloss, and this is in the colour Tan Nude.
I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels don't stop turning, I know.
And there you have it. If I was on a holiday and I was going out, and after a nice day at the beach being nice and tan, I probably would do this look, because it's very summery. It's a glow that we all love and adore. So what do you think? Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Have you tried the Denona bronze palette? It's absolutely stunning. I love it. Love, love, love. It's just so me. And yeah, this is a bronzed glow using the Natasha Denona bronze palette, and I absolutely love it. It's so versatile. You can create so many different looks using it. So you can use it so it's a quad palette. So it can be used as a quad palette. You can go diagonally, you can use it strip, and you can go across. That's how she said that she's created this palette, which I think is really good because everything goes really well. So it's all like bronze colours with some shimmers, cool tones, warm tones. So it's to suit everybody really, which is amazing. And this, well, I do love a nice bronzed, nice all over glow. So that's really cute as well. Love that. And the bronze cheek, this is something that I think I'll be reaching out every day, or just like on the weekends for special occasions, because it's like just like amazingness. The lip gloss is really nice. It's got a peppermint tinge to it as well. So yeah, that's really good. Am I happy with the products? Yes, I am. Is it worth the money? Well, yeah. Probably the most that I've spent on a palette, or maybe I have bought a few other high-end products, but this is the first time I've ever bought from here. And yeah, I like it. Absolutely like it. It's very natural, but it's like shows that you've got makeup on as well, if you know what I mean. It's just what I absolutely love, and this is how, if I could, wear my makeup every single day. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on the palette. Have you tried it? Do you want it? If you do, go out and get it. I really recommend it. they literally just glided on. I know I haven't done a great job, but hey, I'm not a makeup artist. I tried my best. I don't think I've done too badly considering we're getting there with the colours anyway. So yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.